Hi everyone, I'm going to show you via photos that I took yesterday of the Church Bible Publishers Bible that I did what's it called? The ink, the colour. Well, people call it art gilding, but it's not really. It's not art gilding. That's it's an art colour that we put on our Bible pages. So you can call it what you like, but I'm going to show you via photos, and then first I'm going to show you my actual Bibles that I did already. And the example I'm showing on the screen via the photos will be the goldy sort of colour, and I'll show you exactly what that is and where I got it from and the packet and the process I took with the Church Bible Publishers Cranberry Water Buffalo Bible I did. But I'll show you the ones I did yesterday first. Right, so first of all I did, let me see, I might have started with this one, but I'll go back to that one because that's really nice. But this is my writing Bible, and it has this sort of creamy paper, and I'm actually writing out the Bible in it, handwriting it, and I'm currently in John. So I bought this wide margin. It's called Journal the Word, and it's a New King James, and I'm currently writing out the Bible. So that's a different kind of paper, and so I used the purple on this one, and it's very purple because of the nature of the paper, I think. Plus I did a little bit of, I don't know if you see, a little bit of bronzing on it, and I also changed the ribbons in it because I didn't like what the white skinny little blue one they had. Anyway, so I'll pop that aside, and then this one is the that was the purple, and that was called I'll show you in a sec what they are. And this is the little Transetto, the King James Bible, little pocket one. It's really nice. And I've begun doing some decorating. That's why it's got lizards and stuff on it. And I also decorated the inside pages, but I haven't. I won't touch the inside. It's just I just did it. Sort of went nuts there for fun. And so this was white. And now it's this lovely gold colour. And I also did put a little bit of bronze on that, bronze powder on this as well. But and I put new ribbons in it when I got it. But this is how it looks, and I'm really happy with that. So that little one, that's the one goes in my handbag in that little pouch. Then yesterday I did the Concord Reference Bible. It's Cambridge, and I changed the ribbons in there ages ago, and I did this one with the purple because it's already got gold, you know, it's already got its gilding, and they do it, you know, really nice gilding, and so I purpled it, and because it's on this really nice quality paper, it's purpled very softly rather than the one I did over there, which was a little bit strong. It's the same purple, but it's the different paper, different book. So that's, I always wanted a purple under gold Bible. So now I've got one, and I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. And you can see it's on the ends, and so I've got purple under gold now in my Concord instead of whatever it was, not much. And the one I did today is the Church Bible Publishers Water Buffalo. I think it's the 180 red letter, and so I did this today with the same colour that I did on the Transetto, but the Transetto's got extra bronze on it, and this is already gilded because it's a premium quality Bible. Got lovely ribbons that they put in, and so now it's got colour under, which I'm really happy with. I think it's lovely. I only bought 2 colours, and I'm very happy with how they've each turned out. So you can see that the colour is it's close to the gold. But anyway, so I did that one today. I've just finished that one, and so I'll take you through the process on the computer, and I might have to get this, bend this camera a little bit because I've got it on the tripod, and normally I take it off. There, that should do. Okay, so we can see the screen. Now these are the colours. That's what they look like on the pads. Distress Ink by Tim Holtz, the Ranger series. That's dried marigold and wilted violet. So they're the 2 I used. And I bought a packet of sponges, and they're my sponges. So then, that's my cranberry red water buffalo that I'm doing this example on, and that's the colour I'm using, dried marigold, and that's the purple one. So first of all, you fan the pages out on the spine. So instead of it just being natural thickness, you know, instead of just being like that, you have to fan it out like that off on the, like that, and then hold it down. I also put a ruler on there and hold it down. So that's what that picture is there. And then I've started to apply the colour. So the sponge shows some of the colour. It's stronger on the pad and the sponge than it actually is, and I've started to apply it to that end, those end pages. And now I'm doing the top, and I've taken the ribbons out, as you can see, and the bottom. No, the other side of the top. So what you do is you do, let's see, you do one side, and then you turn it over and you do the back, and you do the same thing. And you spread it out, which I'm not doing very well here with one hand on this little book. You spread it out, and then you do that side. And so you do the same to the ends. You do that side, then you turn it over, and you do the other side. Okay, and they splay quite enough, and then you do the bottom. So you top, bottom, and front. So that's the bottom end because it's got the ribbons hanging out, and that's how that turned out, which you've already seen. But these are the photos of it. It only takes, you know, a few minutes. It's pretty effective, it's pretty fast, it's pretty easy. I mean, I'm an artist, I'm pretty handy with my hands. I can do lots of things anyway, but it's I think anyone can do it with a bit of care. And basically you're just brushing on, with this, that's mine, you're just dipping it in the pad and just stroking it along. And I just normally stroke full length, then sort of and then right down, and I go over it twice or as much as I like. This is a light colour, as you can see. It's not strong, and it looks really great with the gold ribbon because it has 3 gold ribbons anyway, and it's sort of like it's extra gold tinted. So I'm really pleased with that. These dyes are excellent, and now, you know, when they make good quality Bible, they spray the dye on. Like this, I've got a couple of R.L. Allen Bibles, the Brevier Clarendon and the 53 long primer, and they've got red under gold, so the dye is sprayed on. But you can get these dyes and hand apply them very successfully. So just want to let you see that, and hope you got something out of that. And I've done 4 Bibles in 2 days. I mean, I could have just kept going if I had more, but I don't. I think I've got one more that I want to do, and I've bought, this one has stacks of ink in it, and this one has ink in it enough to do what I did, but I feel that it's a little dry, and so I just bought online a little bottle with dropper to apply more ink that you can get at the same place. And of course I'm in Australia, so I got mine Australian, but they're really good. And I got these little pots of where are they? I got to get my focus right. Little pots of bronze powder, and I've been working with bronze powders for years anyway as an artist, and I found these little pots that you can get, and I just dusted it on with a brush, but it does come off, and it doesn't sort of stick. Some stays and some comes off, but anyway, so that's me, and have a go. And if you can get the stuff in, you can get the stuff in your country. They're all made in America, so but mine were from sales in Australia online, and whichever country you're in, I'm sure you can get some and get them sent to you. So anyway, thanks for watching. God bless.